In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear CapCut storage on PC quickly and safely so you can free up space, reduce clutter, and help CapCut run a little smoother. If you use CapCut often, cached files can build up over time, and clearing them is a simple way to reclaim storage without affecting your actual projects in most cases. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut on your PC and wait for the app to fully load. Once you're inside, look for the settings option in the CapCut interface. Depending on your layout, this may be in the top right area or inside the main menu. Click on Settings to open the Preferences panel. After the settings window opens, navigate to the Performance tab. This is where CapCut keeps options related to caching, performance, and storage usage. In the performance section, you'll be able to see your current cache size displayed on the screen. This tells you how much storage CapCut is currently using for temporary files. If you notice the cache size is large, that's a good sign it may be time to clear it. Next to the cache size, you should see either a trash can icon or a clear button. Click that button to begin removing the stored cache files. CapCut will usually ask you to confirm the deletion before it actually clears anything, so take a moment to read the prompt and make sure you want to continue. Once you confirm, CapCut will delete the cache and free up that space on your computer. After the process finishes, you can close the settings window and continue using CapCut as normal. That's really all there is to it. Clearing CapCut storage on PC is fast, easy, and a great habit if you want to keep your editing workspace clean and responsive. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and comment below if you want to see more CapCut tips and fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.